No. Say what? No way. Oh my God.
Hey John, are you ready to go undercover with O'Connor Plumbing today?
Yeah, I am, Fred. You know, like I once told Joe Gibbs, I'm gonna make you famous.
All right, let's hit it.
Hey guys, come on in.
How you doing? I'm Fred. This is my boss, John. So we're here to give you a free home inspection.
All right, Fred. Yeah, I just go along, make sure Fred's doing everything the way he's supposed to be doing it, but Fred's so good, I don't really have to tell him too much. Is anybody a football fan here?
And I just put 2 and 2 together in my head, so it's an honor to meet you, Mr. Riggins.
Well, I guess I can flip my ring around now, right?
Surprise!
Yeah. Surprise.
I had nothing to do with this.
Oh, I'm sure you didn't.
You never
That's
know when
good.
you need a plumber.
I couldn't put it together, and then I saw the 44, and I'm like, oh. Well, wow. I think I stopped breathing for a second.
Matt, your house passed the inspection. Very good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care. Another home, Riggo tested and Riggo approved. You never know when the undercover plumber's gonna show up next.